Hi friends, this video shows how to format this SanDisk SSD storage using Google TV Streamer. This is 1 TB SSD storage. Here I am using this multi-port USB hub that is connected to this Google TV Streamer using this USB cable, and this SSD is connected to this USB hub using this black cable. And here you can see one white cable, that is a power cable that is connected to this PD in port of this USB hub. That is a setup. Then go to TV. Go to all settings, go down, go to system, set storage. Here under storage you can see disk 1 TB, that is this SanDisk SSD. Set it. So I am going to format. Here you can see the option erase and format as device storage. Set it, set format. So this way we can format this USB drive or SanDisk SSD and convert this SSD as device storage, so we can move some apps and games from this Google TV Streamer to this SanDisk SSD. Okay, completed. Here you can see two options, move now and move later. Using this move now option you can move some photos, files, apps and games to this SanDisk SSD. I will do that later. Let me go back. See, now you can see that SanDisk USB drive 1 TB under this device storage. Earlier it was under removable storage. Okay, so this way we can format. So if you want to format this SanDisk USB drive as a normal removable storage, you can again select this disk, and here you can see the option erase and format as removable storage. So you can format it as removable storage. Then you can connect this SanDisk to a laptop or other mobile devices. Okay, please try this.